There she is. Yep, that's all road. Ooh, I'm gonna get wet.
Coming across the road.
There's a log?
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, look at that shit. There's a fucking log coming.
There's one that's just inside, and then there's another one farther back that came over.
I can't seem to get this thing to zoom.
Zoom in. That one.
Yeah, but every time I push it, nothing happens. Oh well. It's pretty self-explanatory. Is anybody coming?
Oh, good.
Yeah, right down to my feet here. Holy shit. There's like a log stuck on the road.
It's pretty awesome. Our county, we have all 3 seasons. Snowmobile season, 4-wheeler season, and jet ski season.
I want to go get a canoe, man. That would be awesome.
That'd be dangerous.
And mosquitoes are out here crazy. Oh, that's about